European produces about 150 kilos of packaging waste each year. Put together, that is a lot. 80 million tonnes, in fact. This is why the European Commission has adopted an ambitious circular economy package, a new set of rules with clear targets to help turn waste into a resource. These new rules aim to close the loop of product life cycles through greater recycling and reuse. The concept of a circular economy is quite simple. It is a generic term for an industrial economy that is producing no waste and no pollution by design or intention. A circular economy saves resources, reduces emissions, and is good for the economy. Indeed, the European Commission expects it to improve our trade balance by 120 billion and help create 160,000 jobs. But did you know that for some packaging, the circular economy is already here? You probably know steel as the packaging material which best protects and preserves its contents, whose portion sizes, long shelf life, and ambient storage all contribute to reducing waste. But you might not know that steel is also the most recycled packaging material in Europe. Over 3/4 of steel packaging put onto the European market is recycled today. Steel is a permanent material that can be recycled over and over again without losing its inherent properties, making it a model material for the circular economy. Steel is remarkably easy to separate from any waste stream thanks to its unique magnetic properties. And because steel scrap is an inherent part of the production process for new steel, every single steel plant in Europe is also a recycling plant, saving resources, energy and emissions by recycling steel. As Europe's recycling champion, we should set the bar even higher, and we have. Our industry is aiming for an average steel packaging recycling rate across the EU of 80% by 2020, with zero steel packaging to landfill. And we strongly support clear rules on how the recycling rate is calculated. The top steel recycling countries across Europe already average over 90% recycling between them, so we know it can be done. Steel for packaging, forging a path to a more circular economy.